everybody. It's Saturday, a very cold day in Canberra, Australia's national capital. I'm Nola from Serenidad Consulting and the Peace Ranch. This week I had the opportunity to engage with somebody with whom I work, and the particular person has had some career challenges of late. And what that person said to me was more a projection of his own thoughts, and he was targeting me for a particular outcome. So I want to talk to you today about the importance of being a great leader and allowing people to determine their own outcomes. As many of you know, and as I've experienced in my own life, oftentimes we're employed by an organisation and we don't have a lot of control over what we're expected to do. And the ultimate thing, and I've achieved that through Serenidad Consulting and the Peace Ranch, the ultimate empowerment is to be able to do what you really love doing and being able to affect change in the way that you see it needs to be affected. And that is important for everybody to be able to achieve. Not only is it our human right to be able to pursue opportunities, work and enjoyment that we want, and we have the right to be happy, we have the right to be fulfilled and educated and to grow our knowledge, we also have the right to be able to determine our own destinies. Many of you, I know, will have very strong views that are based on a religious construct, and you believe that God, and I believe in God, but many of you will believe that God determines a person's destiny. Now, we know that miracles do happen. For those who believe in God, rest assured there can be divine intervention at times. But ultimately, what I want you to understand is that you're placed on this earth to be able to not only grow yourself at a spiritual level, so to develop yourself through the personality that you bring to this world at this time, but you also have the opportunity to influence others, and you will always have outcomes based on the choices that are made. Many of us are born into circumstances and into physical locations around the world that we don't have a choice about. But it's the choices beyond that point of birth, where we may have been born into a country that is ravaged by war, or by famine, or by disease. We then have a choice as to how we manage and risk manage that situation. So don't allow other people to influence you. Stay true to what's in your mind, and if what other people are saying does not connect with you, then don't allow them to influence your thinking. Stay strong in your thinking, because ultimately that will be how your life is formed. In No Boxing Allowed, I have a section that talks about as you choose, as you deny or accept opportunities, as you decide, so your life will be formed. And it's really important, as you are a single human being, you're as special as the next person, you are unique in everything about you, you have the right to determine your own destiny. Don't let others take that away from you. Work hard to hold faith that what you want, and when you know what you want, have confidence as well that you'll be able to fulfill those desires and achieve those outcomes. I hope you have a wonderful week going forward. I'm going to be inside shortly and enjoying the warmth. Bye for now.